Alright, new video today. The question is, will we be able to see the Elo? It keeps consistently not showing up, which bothers me quite a lot. Nothing much happened since the last video. I took a day off because I needed to relax and go on a walk. Also, it was Christmas yesterday, right? I don't really celebrate the holidays much. But yeah, it was Christmas yesterday. I felt like taking the day off. I'm back now. And like I said, nothing's changed much with the exception of I did one game and I lost it. I did what was it now? It was 2 something in the morning, I think. Not a wise decision. This one's annoying. It's not horrible, it's not ideal. You'd imagine it'd be eject button whims, right? Or maybe it's Koba, because why would you want eject button with the, what's its face? Indeedee on, but I could be definitely wrong there. What's a good mon here? My heart is telling me to go for Garchomp or try Garchomp. I don't really like Umbreon here, but at the same time I'm enticed to try it. I think the best overall pick is Gastrodon, because I could actually spam Yawn. Yeah, this is definitely best. Late game, though, Garchomp could be good. What if I try Dialga? Dialga or Garchomp? Definitely not Binu, I can say that much. Well, I have more faith in Dialga, because I resist V attacks better. We'll do Garchomp. Alright, this is okay. We will do Reflect. And we can Yawn. It's fine. Steel Spike. Nope, it's Airstream. Cool. Does so much damage. I find that to be crazy. And we'll do Light Screen now. And we can... I don't care if Gastro goes down. I mean, we probably want it gone, right? But isn't the Protect obvious? Let's just go for whims. Yep. Called it, baby. Because we're good like that. Here we go for a double Quake to the Cinder Ace. They have to be, I don't care about that. Bye. That's good to know, though, that I should be able to kill Cinderace. We'll do Hailstorm. Yes, because we can just double up the Urshifu. Hailstorm and Earth Power. Yeah, no reason not to. I am okay with this. I think. We shall Steel Spike. And how about we Yawn the Ogre? Okay, well we just win. What's her rating? And not much points. 1578 versus 1464. I'm just saying the points because I'm not sure if you all can see it or not. To be determined. So, yeah. Harrison Pack, alright. Pack Karisu, yes. As much as I want to lead Green Dialga, I don't know if that's best, because you have to have the most annoying Rotom Heat with Ally Switch, so it's hard to determine that kind of stuff. But let's actually go for this, because I would rather do this and have Scary Face tech, and I wouldn't lose as much from that, if that makes sense. And we'll do Gastro, yeah, and Garchomp. Or do I want Umbreon? Umbreon. I like the foul play, I value that. Okay, they didn't lead bad, which is good. Let's just protect. That's so bulky. They go for what I expected, so that's good. Let's keep spamming. Actually, it's probably better if I switch out, because I would like the Scary Face for the late game. We'll do this so they can't reliably get in Zacian. See? Look at that. I imagine they'd want to bring in Rotom Heat, either that or they go for, what's it? A substitute. Sorry, I'm blanking out. Let's do this and protect. Because I feel like they might try hitting Dialga with a Sacred Sword. Oh, it's the other way around. Oh, and I was way off too. Oh, that's unfortunate. I just used Protect. It's unfortunate. Well, Protect on Gastro is obvious, isn't it? But maybe I go for that. What would be good on their end is if they went for a substitute play. Let's try this. This way they can't substitute, and beyond my Dialga, I can reverse the tables on them a little bit. As long as they don't bring in Landers, that's my biggest fear. These teams are so well structured because you get all the flying types. I think we're debating whether or not they want to keep in Zacian or they want to swap it out. Okay. We have a similar mindset. Oh, nope. Alright, it's over. Yeah. Behemoth Blade was a smart choice. I thought they would play rough for whatever reason again, but that makes so much more sense because it pins me so much better. I'm surprised I didn't want to swap out, but did I reveal Earth Power on Dialga? I don't know. Rating right now, we were 1592 earlier, so we dropped 16 points, yeah. Best lead by far is this. I wanna make a change. I think I'm going to try Troppleberry Umbreon, but I need to come up with a spread later on, because right now isn't the best time, obviously. Gastrodon should definitely be my max here. I think it makes the most logical sense. And I think this would pair well with Dialga, because I can do Blizzard in late game. Interesting. Part of me thinks, what's her rating? I need that. Alright, we're good. You know? And we expect, to have stuff like Reflect going on, not... Yeah. Surging Strikes. Yeah. I'm debating whether or not I bring Dialga or not. Oh, I did say Gastro should be my max. We'll do that, just cause it makes sense. Okay. It is Landorus, but I have Reflect up. I should be able to live this. Well, we're guaranteed to sleep for a turn. Blizzard and Hailstorm, because maybe I made the right play. That's really huge. Yeah. Smart on their end. In order for this to go in our favor, we need a crit. Clever. Crit? Nope. Yeah. Well, we can try. We'll keep going, because it's not good to forfeit immediately. Protect makes more sense, though. So we'll do this, and we'll do Ice Beam. Oh my god, Kyogre does so much. I feel like if we hit the Blizzard, we would have won, or we would have had a really good chance of winning, but it's just unfortunateness of it. Oh well. I didn't lose too many points, not a huge deal on it. Hopefully you all enjoy the video though, and you're learning something as we're going through videos. I'm trying to update the team as much as I can, and I'll see if I find any changes tomorrow or whenever I decide to post next. Make sure though to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with other people if you think they'll enjoy this content. It'll definitely help me out. I think that's it.